Hey there, it's Dr. Justin Marchegiani, and today we're going to be in my kitchen. We're going to be making one of my favorite alcoholic beverages. Again, we don't have our typical dry erase board behind me here, so I'm out of my element a little bit, but I created one of my favorite drinks. It's called a Moscow Mule, Dr. J's Moscow Mule, and we're making it in a way where we can actually enjoy it, where we mitigate a lot of the extra sugar, a lot of the extra junk and additives and dyes and colors and preservatives. So it's going to be as clean as you possibly can, and we're even adding some health benefits to it, so it'll actually help detoxify and vitalize while you drink it. Now, a couple of caveats. I know I'm going to get a lot of hate from this video because here I am, a holistic functional medicine doctor talking about alcohol. I get it. Again, we got the 80-20, right? 80 to 90% we do it good, 5, 10, maybe 15% of the time we can indulge. And there are ways we can indulge that make it safer and that blunt a lot of the side effects. So this video is really for people that want to have a drink every now and then, want to cut back, it's been a long week, they want a drink or two, and they want to do it in a way that doesn't provide the kryptonite that makes them feel like crap the next day, gives them a nice gentle buzz, and they feel better afterwards, and they're not putting gluten or stuff in their body that's going to be destroying their adrenals or even mimicking or exacerbating their autoimmunity. So let's get down to business here. First thing up first, we're doing a Moscow Mule. So one of the first things you need a copper mug. Go on Amazon, get one. Copper mugs rock. They are an excellent conductor of the coldness in the drink, so it really adds to that mouthfeel. Copper mug. I recommend the Tito's variety. My favorite vodka is Tito's. Again, wins multiple taste tests. It's actually here in local Austin, so supporting the local mom and pops. It's also 7 times distilled, so you're getting absolutely no exposure to any gluten molecules or proteins in this kind of vodka. Really good stuff. Next, you want a good quality ginger kombucha. I like the Ginger Aid by GT Dave's. Only 2 grams of sugar, and again, they got about 1 billion units of Saccharomyces boulardii, and Saccharomyces boulardii is an antagonistic to fungus and to candida. So if you have any fungal issues, it'll actually help with the fungus, and there's a lot of good things in there, e.g. CGs, epigallocatechins, B vitamins, and you even have some really good acids like glucuronic acid, lactic acid, and acetic acid. So really good for your intestinal tract, keeping your pH lower so a lot of the bad bugs can't live. Really great way to go. Don't get the ginger berry, get the Ginger Aid. Don't make that mistake. Next, organic lime at Whole Foods or whatever your local market is. You can get one of these off Amazon. These are pretty simple. Little mixing cup. Oh, fumble. And then we have our little shot glass too that you're going to measure out here. And then also a little cup for ice too. Put your ice there. We'll add that afterwards. So first things first. What we're going to do off the bat is we're going to make our mixture. So we're going to cut our lime in half just like so. All right. And actually, get one of these. These things rock. Get the lemon one because the lime one's a little too skinny. So you put this right in here. It allows you to get all of the juice out. So we're going to do a half a lime. Now, some of the benefits that you get from the lime are really profound. So, one, it's alkalizing, which is great. It's also going to help with insulin sensitivity because alcohol, right, ethyl alcohol goes to the liver and it will get converted into the body as sugar. So we want to do our best to blunt the blood sugar response. Blood sugar will cause our pancreas to produce insulin, so if we can blunt that by using some lime juice, that's going to be a really good thing. So I'm actually going to do a whole lime today. Typically I only do a half. Today I'm feeling a little risky. It's Friday night here. We're going to do 2 halves, 1 whole lime. And it's organic, so we're not getting any pesticides or chemicals. All right? So we get 1 full lime. Check. Next, we're going to add in our vodka. So I'm going to use a full shot here, just like so. I'm going to do about 1.5 shots. Just because it's been a long week. About 1.25 shots, 1.5 shots. You can do anywhere between 1 shot to 1.5 shots. Really depends upon how stiff you want it. So we have that there. We're pretty good. And then next up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to mix it up in my little mixer here. I'll put it right in here like so. Okay, just like that. Put that on here and we're going to mix it up. Okay. Next, we're going to take some ice. We're going to fill our cup up about half full. Right here. Okay, right about that. Now from there, what we're gonna do is this. We're gonna take our kombucha, break the seal. We're gonna put our vodka in here with our mixture of lime juice. Super clean. Again, the water is all filtered, so fluoride-free, chlorine-free as well. We're gonna then fill this up about 80 to 90% to the top, just like so. Now what I recommend doing after that is take it like this, throw it back in here, once, back in here, and you're ready to go. So this is an awesome drink. So one of the things you can do here, kombucha is going to give you the antibiotics, or the probiotics, excuse me, to help with the gut bacteria. It's also going to give you a lot of the B vitamins and a lot of the extra nutrients. Couple other things that you can do. If you're consuming 2 or more, well, you may want to get some extra support to help your liver. So you can do sulfur-based amino acids like NAC or MSM or methionine. You can even do vitamin C or herbs like milk thistle as well. And again, you're going to see on top here, that's the SCOBY. The SCOBY is where it's the culture where a lot of the good bacteria feed off of it. So you may see some of the SCOBY in there. It's kind of gelatinous. You may want to skim that out. But if you consume it, it's good. It's a lot of good bacteria in there. So again, recap the benefits. Lime juice is going to be insulin sensitizing and alkalizing. The kombucha has B vitamins, antioxidants, and it also has some probiotics to help your tummy. Again, the vodka is going to be super clean. No effects of gluten. And again, I always recommend consume your alcoholic drink after you have a meal or a couple hours after a meal, so we're not going to be throwing our blood sugar for a loop. So again, this is Dr. Justin signing off. Enjoy your drink.